Hey there, folks. If you're ever in a bind and need quick cash, getting a cash advance from Bank of America can be a lifesaver. Today, we're diving into how to do this in 2025, step by step. But first, a quick heads up. A cash advance is basically borrowing money against your credit card limit, and it often comes with higher fees and interest rates than regular purchases. So, use it wisely. To start, make sure you're eligible. You'll need a Bank of America credit card or line of credit in good standing. Check your account online or via the app to confirm your available credit limit and any restrictions. This is crucial because not all cards offer cash advances, and Bank of America might have updated their policies by 2025. Alright, let's get to the steps. Option 1. Using an ATM. Find a Bank of America ATM or any ATM that accepts your card. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the Cash Advance or Withdrawal from Credit option. Enter the amount you need. Remember, there's usually a daily limit, and confirm. You'll get your cash on the spot, but expect to pay a fee, often around 3 to 5% of the amount. If you prefer going digital, log into your Bank of America online banking or mobile app. Navigate to your credit card account, look for the Cash Advance feature, and follow the prompts to request the funds. This might involve transferring the money to your checking account or directly withdrawing it. It's fast and convenient, but double-check for any transaction fees. For a more personal touch, visit a local Bank of America branch. Bring your ID, credit card, and any required documents. Speak with a teller, explain what you need, and they'll guide you through the process. This is great if you have questions or want advice on alternatives. Now, a word of caution. Cash advances can rack up costs quickly, with interest starting immediately and higher APRs than regular balances. Always consider if there's a better option, like a personal loan or emergency fund. In 2025, Bank of America might have new tools or apps to help manage this, so keep an eye on their updates. There you have it. Getting a cash advance with Bank of America doesn't have to be complicated. Just remember to borrow responsibly to avoid future headaches. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your money.